Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department.
Yeah,
Just
ma'am.
a feedback interview from your side.
Okay.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, before that, congrats for your placements.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself?
Yeah, thank you. Myself, Mahadev Prasad, and I'm a civil engineering graduate from SJB Institute of Technology, Kengeri. And I'm from Bangalore itself. I'm staying here from past 20 years. And yeah, I recently got to placed in a design cafe from CMIT.
CMTI.
Sorry, CMTI.
Okay. Then how did you get to know CMTI?
Since CMTI I was in collaboration with SJBIT. We had done an online internship during the pandemic time. From that time, we know CMTI very well. And recently, my friends had been got placed from CMTI, so I joined here for an course.
Okay. Okay. I got to know that you have taken courses in online, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So how did that online courses benefit you?
Yeah, since I had some time restrictions, I can't attend those offline classes from my home. Since there has been many restrictions are going around, so I took online classes here. Those classes were very crisp and clear, and those classes were very crisp and clear from introducing a project, how the project will initiate to the termination of a project, and what are the quality assurance that need to be take, and what are the trends that are going in and around the in the interior field. Everything was met, and specifically those cut list and the materials knowledge was been provided very much clear.
Okay. Okay. How was your interview preparation and all by Prayojana?
Yeah, interview preparation. They actually mainly focus on those interview questions which will be asking, and what will be the company expecting from us. So initially, those courses will start those classes by explaining what are the requirements that you need to fill up for this job, or what are the blanks that we need to be filled. So these online courses actually helped me really very well for those questions that will be asked by interviewers.
Okay. Then how did you crack the interview? So how many rounds of interview was there and how did you get placed?
It was actually a one round interview, like a face to face interview. And since those material knowledge was provided by the courses was very good, so they were expecting the kind of person who has some material knowledge and who can manage a work. So those online courses actually helped me very well to crack this interview.
Okay. Fine. Then how was the app? Did you like CMTI app?
Yeah, actually, I liked it very much because since we are a civil engineers, we have not so much of exposure to those interior designing courses. So they will. So in that app, actually, everything was provided like those models which will be provided in those some what we call that as mood boards. Yeah, and those are provided, and yes, it's a really good app.
Okay. Okay. How was the coordination by the staffs during this process?
Yeah, actually, the main key in the CMIT is the coordination and the follow up that will be going through. Uh, and once we register to the course, those what are the placements that has been coming up, they will actually initiate those things like see you have a place, see you have a placement round. So what are all the things that you need to be learned, and what are all the things that those job needs. So they provide additional information for regarding those interview which are need to be provided.
Okay. Fine. Do you recommend PS and CMTI to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, ma'am, surely I will recommend CMTI since we civil engineers lack very much in those practical knowledge and practical experience. those filling gaps has been really providing very good from this institute, and I do recommend this course.
Okay, thank you, Mahadev. Thanks for
Thank
your
you.
feedback.
Thank
And
you.
once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. Thank
Yeah,
you,
ma'am. Thank you.
Mahadev.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.